Hi all, welcome to Puliyadi's kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make tamarind concentrate for traditional Sourashtrian Puliyodarai. You're going to love this recipe, so let's learn how to do it. Tamarind concentrate is a spice mix made with tamarind extract. This tamarind concentrate is mixed with rice and it's called Puliyodarai. This tamarind concentrate I'm going to make is called Ambat in Saurashtra, and it's very famous among Sourashtrians. And it's very popular in Tamil Nadu. This tamarind concentrate is called Pulikachal in Tamil. To make the concentrate, I have taken 250 grams of tamarind and I have soaked that in water. We need 3 tablespoons of methi powder, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of hing, and then I have taken salt. You can add salt to taste. And we need 15 to 20 red chilies. And I am going to add a little bit of methi seeds also. And we need oil. Soak the tamarind in warm water for half an hour or until the pulp softens. Extract the tamarind with water, strain and keep it aside. This tamarind concentrate can be stored for months, and whenever you need a quick meal, you can mix this pulikachal with rice and make puliyodarai. After making the tamarind concentrate, you can store it in a glass bottle and keep it in the fridge. And it stays good for 2 months. I always make a lot and store it in the fridge. Switch on the stove and in a pan add like 10 tablespoons of sesame oil. In order to store it for a long time, oil acts as a preservative, and that's why we add more oil. Add 15 to 20 red chilies or according to the spice you need. Fry this on low flame. Add 1 teaspoon of methi seeds now. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add the tamarind extract. After adding the concentrate, you can increase the flame to medium and let it start boiling. I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Add 1 tablespoon of hing now. Add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Mix it nicely. Add 3 tablespoons of methi powder now. Mix it nicely and let it come to a boil. Tanginess of the tamarind varies a lot with each brand, and it's said that the old ones are more tangy and tastier than the new ones. Keep boiling the mixture on medium-low flame and keep stirring it also. In about 20 to 25 minutes, the mixture would have reduced to half and the mixture will start bubbling vigorously. Keep stirring it, and once the mixture is thickened, you can switch off the stove. Remove it when it is in semi-solid state because it will thicken as it cools down. Your world famous tamarind concentrate is ready now. You can store this in the fridge and you can use it whenever you want to mix it with rice and make Puliyodarai. I will teach you how to make Puliyodarai in a different video.